And we're going to do a little review today on the Missouri Meerschaum Company corncob pipes. Smoking pipes is something I've never really done, so I'm going to give it a try. And from everything I've read, you need more than one pipe. They suggest more than one pipe, so you can smoke one and then let it sit and dry and get cleaned, and then you smoke another one, and so on. So I ordered a 7-day set of smokable seconds from Missouri Meerschaum. Ordered online from Amazon. When I was a kid, I always enjoyed the smell of pipe smoke, and sitting outside on the patio today here, got the grill going, and I always like listening to guys like Cigar Dave on podcasts, and really enjoyed getting into some cigars a little bit, but cigars didn't really do it for me. If I'm outside having a light scotch or something, a cigar goes kind of nice. But a lot of times I just want to sit outside with a lemonade or a beer and the smell of smoke and puffing a little bit. So we're trying this. So what I'm going to do is give you a review as we move forward. The Meerschaum Company right here. If you want to get a hold of them directly, like I said, I ordered mine on Amazon, and I'm sure I'm mispronouncing the company, I'm sure, but gives you these are seconds. They're smokable seconds, so there's something wrong a little bit with each one, but they're all usable, functional pipes. That's what I understand. So let's dump them out and see what we have here. And there's 7 of them. Notice the X or the mark on there shows you that they're a second. And yeah, and I don't know anything about any of these. There's one, see, it's got a nick out of it, but that doesn't shouldn't affect how they're smoked. My guess, if they're not cosmetically perfect or near perfect, they don't put them out for sale retail. So I didn't want to put a whole lot of money into this when I got started. We can always buy a better pipe now. You get online, a lot of those guys will tell you, go buy yourself a good pipe right off, briarwood or something like that. But I also have heard and read a lot that there's nothing wrong with a corncob pipe and they smoke just fine, so I guess I'm going to find out. I don't know the name of each of these, but you can see there's various styles, some straight, some bent. They have the little paper filter in each one, or whatever that filter is, cellulose or something like that. Again, marked as seconds. There is some cosmetic damage. Hey, I'm not out to put a show on for anybody. I don't need to show a big fancy pipe. I'm going to sit on my deck and smoke and just kind of see if this is a hobby that I enjoy, if smoking is a hobby. Some say it's a vice. Everybody's got to have a vice of some kind, right? Well, I eat red meat. I drink beer and scotch and gin, so I suppose I already have a few vices. And on this channel, it's just all about having fun. Nothing serious. Even the label on this one's backwards. Wait, no. There it is. I just had it upside down. So what I'll do is I'm going to actually try these out. I've got some, probably a mistake as well, but some cheap drugstore tobacco that I've seen reviews on that has been described as uneventful or nondescript. So we'll give that a try. Maybe that's a safe one to start with. I don't know. Maybe it'll turn me off and I'll have to go get more expensive stuff. But it's hard for me to get into these kind of hobbies and spend a lot of money. So this is what they sent me. My guess is they're not every package isn't the same. The cost on this for me to order them and have them sent to my door was $34.79, and of that, $8.50 was shipping, so $26.29 for the actual package of pipes. And you get 7 of them. I don't know if that's a good deal or not, but it seems that I bought 7 for less than I could buy 1. So in my mind, 1 decent, what they call a decent pipe. I think these are probably decent. From what I've heard, the Missouri Meerschaum Company is, and I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, so I apologize, but a reputable company from everything I've found out. So yeah, original, authentic corncob pipes, and we're going to give these a try, and I'll let you know if I like them or if it's something I'm going to get into. Check back and we'll see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hey, we'll talk to y'all later.